This is Chirag on behalf of PVN Technosystems LLP. So in this documentary, in this video, I will show you what is the dyne, what is the dyne testing, what is the surface tension, how we can measure the surface tension. So the dyne testing is crucial in many applications. Depending on the industry, different dynes level are required to further application like a printing, coating, lamination. So depending on the various kind of application, the dyne is required. So the basic dyne, how it works, how we can test the dyne, that I will show you in this video. So I will show you the dyne testing of a PVN dyne pen. So this is a variety pack from 32 to 56, most of the standard dyne levels which are required for various different applications. So one set, it is including most commonly used dyne pens. For all the materials like LD, LDP, BOPP, most commonly the initial dyne level which material already exists, that is 30 or 32. So for this material we are starting with 32. So you can see that the ink is not breaking. So the principle of dyne is ink should not break for 3 seconds. So this dyne is okay, 32 is passing. Now we check 34. This is 34. So this is push type pen. So whenever you push, ink will come. You can see that for this material 34 is also okay. So the line is not breaking for more than 3 seconds. So this value is passed. So now you can see this. You can see that after 5 seconds, some of the portion is breaking. Now we go with 36. Thirty-six is also look pass. Now we will go with 38. It looks weak pass. After initially 2-3 seconds, the line is breaking. So we can say that 38 is weak pass. So the ink is not sustaining up to 3 seconds. So this value is failed. Now for your understanding, we will test all the values. This is 42. So definitely if 38 is failed, then 42 will not fail. You can see that the ink is completely collapsing more or less than 3 seconds. So it will not sustain. In 3 seconds it is breaking. So 42 is also failed. Okay, so now we will test 44. So definitely it is failed. It is not allowing me to fill this square. Okay, so it is breaking continuously. So you can see that it is less than 2 seconds. The line is completely breaking. So 44 is also failed. Now quickly we will move with 48. So definitely it will also fail. So now last 56. So but obvious it will also fail. So it is not allowing for 1 second also. So for this material which we have used for testing, the 38 value is weak pass, 36 is completely okay pass. So now you can see this breakup in this the ink is not able to sustain for a 2 seconds or less than 3 seconds. So this is a dyne test. This we have shown how we can test. So this is not only for films. Same thing we can apply on the object, any of the moving part, any cable industry, label industry, packaging industry, flexible packaging, converting industry. So whenever the printing, lamination, coating is required, the dyne test is must before printing, lamination, coating or any kind of adhesive application. So this PVN dyne pen are designed as an European standard. Focusing on the European standard, it is designed. It is suitable for wettability, surface cleanliness, surface energy level measurement. So this PVN dyne pen surface tension fluids that are formulated as per the standard D2578 and 100% reagent grade material, and each of the batch is tensiometer tested, assure the consistent results. This our design is spill-proof design, avoiding the water wastage and the possibility of air contamination. So this design is totally spill-proof design. There is no single % of chances of air contamination. So the life of these pens are good compared to others, and the results and the performance of these pens are more than the others. So the specific, it is designed for the fast, accurate online use by the printers, coaters and laminators. Also ideal for the process control or field use by the supplier of film, sheet, coated, ink, coatings and adhesives. So this spring-loaded tip meters fluids, fill and guards against the contamination. reliable enough for many R&D lab applications, 100 of tests from the each marker, usable on the virtuality all smooth, non-absorbent substances. So the life is the life is 6 months. No refill is required. It is disposable. So this is it from the presentation. Thank you for showing interest in our presentation. Thank you for watching the video. If any inquiry regarding the product, you can contact us. The contact details are as below on the last page of the document. Thank you again. Thank you so much.